technology transfer to the farm is essential. A farmer is by and large clinging to his tractor. He wants to use the tractor for as long as it can last, ignorant of two things. One, the technology of the tractor is undergoing big change. It is becoming environment friendly, fuel efficient, multifunctional, and highly subsidized. There has to be awareness campaign. There has to be awareness campaign to the farmer that you don't need anybody's help. You only have to know your inner strength to change your economy to a very high level. Form small groups, market your product at a price of your choice you can. I appeal to you. Please convert farmer from producer to एग्रीकल्चर एंटरप्रेन्योर, जिसको मैं एग्रीप्रेन्योर्स कहता हूं। जब किसान अपने उत्पाद के बिक्री व्यापार में बढ़ेगा, उसके हिस्से में भी वो अंश आएगा। दूसरी बात, कृषि उत्पाद उद्योग का आधार है और किसान उससे कोसों दूर है। Why farmers should not add value to the product? ये सोचने का विषय है। सरकार की इतनी सकारात्मक नीतियां आज के दिन मुख्यमंत्री जी ने, और पहली बार प्रधानमंत्री जी ने विवेकपूर्ण तरीके से संविधान में सहकारिता का अध्याय जोड़ा है। किसान को आगे आना चाहिए। हर बार एक सोच मन में आता है, हमको स्वतंत्र भारत में क्या करना पड़ेगा कि हमारे वर्ग के लोगों ने जो महारत हासिल किया है उसका उचित आदर हो, उचित सम्मान हो। वर्तमान व्यवस्था ठीक है, आर्थिक प्रगति जबरदस्त है। We have exponential economic upsurge, phenomenal infrastructure growth. Our global image is very high. But as I said, to attain the status of a developed nation at 2047, precondition is our farmer has to be satisfied. हमें याद रखना होगा, अपनों से नहीं लड़ा जाता है, अपनों को नहीं छकाया जाता है, छकाया दुश्मन को जाता है, अपनों को गले लगाया जाता है। कैसे नींद आ सकती है जब किसान की समस्याओं का समाधान त्वरित गति से नहीं हो रहा है? आह्वान करता हूं किसान बंधुओं से, इस देश के अंदर समस्याओं का निपटारा बातचीत से होता है, समझाई से होता है। राजा महेंद्र प्रताप की एक सीख थी, irretrievable confrontational stance is a poor diplomacy. We have to be open to solutions, open to discussion, क्योंकि ये देश हमारा है, ये देश ग्रामीण पृष्ठभूमि से प्रभावित है। और मैं मानकर चलता हूं कि मेरे किसान बंधु जहां भी हैं और जो किसी भी आंदोलन में सक्रिय हैं, मेरी बात उनके कानों तक पहुंचेगी और वो इस ओर ध्यान देंगे। आप में सभी लोग मेरे से ज्यादा जानकार हैं, ज्यादा अनुभवी हैं। I am sure there will be convergence of positive energy to bring about fastest resolution to the problem of farmers. I am son of a farmer. Interest of the farmer is in my heart. I know the potential of farmer. I know the potential of the children in farm families. I know the kind of challenges they face right from the beginning. I'm son of a farmer. Like there was a movie, Son of a Soldier. A son of the farmer will always commit himself to truth. But the farmer must step out of the farmland. Farmer must involve himself or herself for marketing of his and her produce. Farmer should not just be a producer and forget about it. That would mean he will painstakingly, tirelessly raise a produce and will sell it at a time when it is ripe for market without holding it. It doesn't gain much financially. You have to empower the farmer by generating awareness, by telling them government cooperative system is very robust. For the first time, we have a cooperation ministry. Cooperatives find a place in our constitution. And therefore, what we need is farmer traders. We need farmer entrepreneurs. Boys and girls, and distinguished faculty. You can change that mindset so that a farmer transforms himself from producer to value adder, starting some industry which is based on his produce. If you just look around, farm produce market is gigantic. And when value is added to farm produce, industries thrive.